Hey, welcome back. It's Eric. We're back again here with, if you've seen the video previous, I think it was a short, escaping holiday events and doing a recap. Well, of course, I got dragged out of the room quite literally after I posted that, so I was not able to get to it, but I'm going to get to that now. This is one of my personal Galaxy 88s we have all set up here. So we're just going to do a quick recap on time lapse. Well, that was pretty quick on time lapse, but it's still a pain. But I do enjoy it. I throw on some music and rock out. Throw on the loud exhaust for the fumes. But I got to do snippies on this. I won't bore you with that. But yeah, this is the DX88 here, and I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing with this North Star that I have here. This here, there we go. We can get it in view here. But yeah, this thing has been rough used. Of course, that's not the original channel knob, but man, it's a lot better than what I got it with. I didn't even get it with a heat sink, and yeah, not working. Yeah, well, this does have a switch in it though. I think that's talkback. But yeah, other than that, man, this will probably be another recap. But I do appreciate y'all stopping by, subbing up on my channel. I think 929 of y'all. Man, it's quite amazing, and I do appreciate y'all watching me work here. Hope it's entertainment. Anything you want to see in the new year for 2023, please let me know down below in the comments. Sub up and make this number grow. Let's have some fun. And yeah, I do appreciate it. So if I don't put out another video, but I may by the end of the year, happy 2023 to each and every one of you that stops by here. And just it's been a hell of a couple of years, really. But we'll get back to it in the next year with all your suggestions. I do take everything and enjoy the comments down below. So we'll see you in the next one, probably in 2023. So Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Thank y'all. 73 is Eric Techstuffs.